Editing a Weebly website is straightforward due to its drag-and-drop interface. Follow these steps to make changes to your site. Log into your account. Go to weebly.com and log in with your credentials. From the dashboard, select the site you want to edit. Access the website editor. Click the Edit Site button to enter the website editor. Modify content. To edit text, click on the text box you want to change and type directly. Replace images by clicking the image element and selecting a new image from your computer or Weebly stock library. Add or rearrange elements. Drag new elements from the left-hand toolbar onto your page. Rearrange elements by dragging and dropping them to your desired location. Customize design. Navigate to Theme to change your site's template, fonts or colors. Use the settings to adjust background images or site-wide design elements. Update pages. Access pages to add, delete or reorder pages. Publish changes. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your edits live.